today's video, we will be writing numerical expressions like this one. And the first thing to notice is there is no equal sign. If there were an equal sign, we would call it an equation. When there's no equal sign, we call it an expression. So let's start by writing a simple expression. The sum, that tells me I'm going to add, of 4 and 5. Okay, that's quite simple. Let's do another one. The product of 3 and 6. That tells me I'm going to multiply. Okay, how about this one? 3 times as large as 5 plus 6. So I'm going to put my 5 plus 6 in parentheses because first I need to add that before I can make it 3 times as large. Okay, and this is what it would look like written all together. Okay, let's do one more. How about this one? Add 8 plus 7, or I should say 8 and 7. Then, so I'm going to put this in parentheses, multiply by 2. I could also have it like this. And either way, I would know to do this first because it's in parentheses. Okay, and this is what it looks like written.